Drift boat is probably most simply put the perfect fly fishing tool. It allows anglers to float down a river, man-powered, no motor with 2 oars. There's various styles of drift boats, all of which are a little bit unique, but pretty much serve the same purpose, and that is to, I think, give anglers or fly fishermen the best opportunities. And you can use the boat to hold up or move with the current or against the current or get out of the current. It's a real neat way to fish. The popular fish in this river are the trout, which are rainbow trout, cutthroats, brown trout, and then there's a hybrid called a cutbow, a cross between a rainbow and a cutthroat. And those are pretty much your 4 game fish that are sought after in the North Platte. If you're going on your own trip, you want to talk to one of the local fly shops, get a weather report, get a fishing report, hot fly patterns. Obviously, if you're going to be floating the river, you're going to need to get a shuttle unless you plan on running your own, which is basically allowing you to put your vehicle in and someone will move it downriver for you. As far as the Gray Reef section of the North Platte, located 25 miles from Casper, Sloan's General Store runs shuttle service. The Reef Fly Shop, full service fly shop, guide service, shuttle service right on the river. The beauty of the guide service is they're guys that are on the water almost every day of the year. A lot of experience, they know where the fish are. It kind of prevents you from having to beat yourself up about not catching fish, because these guys know how to catch fish. Most guide services provide pretty much everything except for fishing license. If you're interested, there's several in the area. Call them up and just book a day.
Very nice. You gotta get.
Woo!
Yeah! Woo!
Without a shadow of a doubt, the North Platte is one of the better places in the United States. I think the river record is a 23-pound brown. That's huge. This is world class.